Hi, many patients who come to me, they have this common question कि मैं तो हमेशा कैल्शियम एंड विटामिन डी सप्लीमेंट लेता हूँ या लेती हूँ, फिर भी मुझे घुटनों में आर्थराइटिस क्यों हुआ है. So let us see today what are the common causes of this arthritis. The most common cause is age-related degeneration, especially in women after the age of 50 years. This can be attributed to their hormonal changes, irregular dietary habits, inactive lifestyle, or sleep disturbances that leads to the stress, like the mental stress. Obesity is another risk factor that leads to increased pressure and hence increased wear and tear of these weight-bearing joints of the body. If there is any genetic defect in your cartilage, or if say there is some family history of arthritis, then also osteoarthritis can be seen in the succeeding generations. If any previous history of injury is there to the joint, then this cartilage is already damaged during that injury, and then during course of time when it is subjected to repetitive stress and strain, the wear and tear increases and it leads to the arthritis. Some of the inflammatory forms of arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, raised uric acid, that is the gout, and etc. Whereas other forms of inflammatory arthritis also can result to the osteoarthritis of your joint, especially it occurs in the younger ages. If there is any pre-existing malalignment in your joints like excessive bowing of the knees, or there is excessive knock knees, then the weight bearing of this joint is altered, and this leads to increased wear and tear and your cartilage degeneration. Some of the medications can lead to drug induced arthritis, as well as some metabolic diseases like diabetes can also lead to arthritis in your joints. If there are some neurological disorders, then the sensation and pressure of the joints is altered, and ultimately it leads to the arthritis of the joints. Thank you. Hi, I'm Dr. Varun Agrawal, practicing as a consultant robotic joint replacement and trauma surgeon in Pune. Please keep looking this space for many such more informative videos. Thank you.